Welcome back to the space called Bookshelf. Today I have come up with the most honored autobiography in India. It is none other than Wings of Fire or Agnipank, written by APJ Abdul Kalam, missile man and former president of India, and Arun Tiwari. This is the most appropriate book if you are about to start reading. It does not matter what your religion, what your background, what your age. This book will definitely serve as the best source of inspiration. This is the best combination of success and simplicity. We all must have read the quotes by APJ Abdul Kalam. You will get significance of each and every one in this book. In the first part of the book, he describes his childhood beautifully. His parents and other family members weren't much educated, but still they had a beautiful vision of life. Dr. Kalam always believed that it does not matter what's your religion or what's your background. If you have courage to do something, you will definitely do it. This first part beautifully describes his childhood in Rameshwaram. In the second part, he describes baby steps he took towards becoming an aerospace scientist. He had an opportunity to work in NASA, yet he decided to stay in his own country and work towards its scientific progression. Also, the contribution of his friends, professors, and guide during this journey is mind blowing. In the third part, he describes how he witnessed the technological revolution in India. Of course, he had his own shares of success and failure, but he was firm on what he wanted to do, and that is scintillating. This book is published in late 90s, so till then, these were the huge achievements. As the end nears, he speaks his mind out through an emotional insight. While achieving great heights in his career, unfortunately, he lost some golden moments from his personal life. Yet he is very satisfied and proud of his family members. Moments like losing near ones from his work circle, last moments of his parents, and the bond he shared with his siblings touch our mind. The book treats us with some wonderful photographs which describe his journey. It is that rare kind of a book where you will start each chapter beginning with either Vedas, Puranas, or quotes by Catholic writers. Definitely, we all can pick something from this book and lead a beautiful journey as a human. After writing this book, he led a beautiful career as a political leader. And definitely, he was the most loved president of India. I'm sure many of you have read this book. And even if you haven't read this, please go for it and share your thoughts with me. I will see you in the next episode.